Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to generate numbering for each group. So for example, for each review we want a numbering like this, 1, 2, 3, and for within each group this should get reset. So when we are starting for a new employee Jessica, it should again become 1, 2, 3 and go on, so on and so forth. Okay. So to do this we need to come to our code pages, and the first thing we will do is we will declare a variable called group counter, which is a integer. The second thing is we need to decide when do we reset it. So we want this to be reset for each role, right? So, or each person, which for us is master data. Click on the master data band. In your object inspector on the right, you would see property, events and favorites. Come to events and click on before favorites. Double click it. Okay. When you do so, it will automatically generate a procedure for you. Okay. The only thing that we need to put inside here is reset my group counter to 0. Number 1. Okay. Now we go back to our page. Again, we want our variables to kickstart in the detail, right? All the reviews that we have. Like we did earlier, we are going to again come to object inspector over here in events, OnBeforePrint, double click it. Again, a procedure would be inserted for us. Okay, all we need here is number 1, group counter, we add 1 to it. So every time this procedure is calculated, for each value it will keep adding 1. So 1, 2, 3 and it will reset back. Now how do we get this number to show this group counter onto the main report? One of the ways we could do it is we can select a text object, okay, and let's bring it right over here in details. Okay, click on OK. Now the object which has been generated, if you see my report tree, is called memo 15. Go back to code, and what we want to do is memo 15.text, and we want to assign it the value of group counter, which is a number right now. We will convert it into string using int to string. Click on save, preview, and here we have a running series. If for some reason more than 3 reviews are added, this will become 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very helpful when working with bills of material, or you want to show number of items within a group. Hope this was useful.